In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a Meaco dehumidifier. So, most Meaco dehumidifiers do not have a dedicated reset button. The recommended reset method is basically to power cycle the unit by turning it off. Basically, unplugging it off for a few minutes, then turning it back on. After the power cuts, most models automatically restore their previous settings using the built-in memory function. So, how can we do that? Basically, you would like to turn off the dehumidifier. Press the power button to switch the dehumidifier off. If the fan continues or continue running for a short time, just let it finish its shutdown cycle before unplugging the unit. Once you're done, or once the fan is done, you'll have to go and unplug the dehumidifier from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for 3 to 5 minutes to allow the electronics to fully reset. Once you do so, just go and plug the dehumidifier back into the outlet and press the power button to turn it on. On most models, the unit will restart and basically either restore its previous settings to return to normal operation. Once you're done, just choose your preferred humidity setting on operating mode and let the unit run for a few minutes to confirm it's working normally. So if you run on some problems and the dehumidifier is not working, just make sure that the water tank is fully inserted and check that the air filter is clean and verify the power outlet is working. And if there's any error code displayed, if the same example error returns after a power reset, just consult your model manual or contact Meaco support as the code may indicate some hardware faults. So that's basically how you can reset the Meaco dehumidifier since they don't have a reset button. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.